Tree Removal Tarragindi. Tree Lopping Brisbane Southside offers expert tree services in Tarragindi, including removal, lopping, and stump grinding. Our trained arborists use advanced equipment for efficient tree care and recommend regular consultations to minimize yard maintenance costs and reduce the need for frequent removals. Green spaces boost creativity and mood, but falling trees can be hazardous. Our skilled arborists perform effective tree removals and lopping, ensuring safety and minimal disruption to your daily life. With over 15 years of experience, we handle all projects with care and precision, ready 24/7 for emergencies. Dead or ill trees and stumps attract pests and diseases, increasing removal costs. Regular assessments and diagnoses are essential for maintaining the health of your land.